this video, I'll show you how to install JioCinema on your smart TV. This is very easy. So the first step for you to do is to connect to the internet on your smart TV. After you're connected to the internet, you can search, you can go to your app store or your recommended application store on your smart TV. So most smart TV comes with an inbuilt application store. So for instance, here's mine. Now if I come here, I have the recommended section where I have the JioCinema here. Now if I want to install it, I just have to go ahead and install it from here. But if unfortunately for you, you don't have the application on your recommended, you can come over to Netflix, to the app store, and in the app store section you're going to have a dashboard like this. Now this also depends on the kind of smart TV you're using. It can be Samsung, can be whatever smart TV you're using. So for instance, if you don't see it on the recommended section, you can come over to your app store, then you come to the search button and search JioCinema. So I'm going to write that. So I'm just going to quickly search the word JioCinema and hopefully it comes up. Alright, so JioCinema. So when we search the word JioCinema, the application pops up. So you can just go ahead now by clicking the application and downloading it to your smart TV, and that's how you can install JioCinema to your smart TV. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this.